Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making these big, beautiful Cherry Crescent Bombs. Oh, they're so easy to make and come out great. So let's get started. So first you take a muffin pan and you're going to spray it with a nonstick cooking spray. That way nothing sticks. So here's my crescent rolls. You're going to get a pizza cutter and you're going to cut along the perforated edges. And just make your triangles. Just like that. So you line them all inside your little muffin pan. Eventually we'll fold them all over, but you just want them to be inside each muffin circle. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese. Here's a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix it all together. So now what I'm going to do is getting some of that cream cheese. I'm putting 1/2 tablespoon on top of each crescent. So now I'm adding a tablespoon of cherry pie filling. So easy. Look at this. So now you just wrap them up. Just fold the edges, wrap them up. You don't have to be perfect. I ended up making 16 Cherry Crescent Bombs. So now I have a 350-degree oven waiting nice and hot, and I'm going to put these in there. According to the package directions, 9 to 12 minutes until they're golden brown. Okay, here we go. Here we are. Look at this. Let me close this. They are beautiful. Okay, let me get you in closer. Look at these. Beautiful. The instructions on the crescent roll pack say 9 to 12 minutes of cook time. I cooked these 16 minutes. I just wanted them a nice golden brown, and that's how long it took me. Some ovens will vary. Now I did get 16 out of this recipe, and I just took them out like this with a fork, and I'm putting them off to the side on a plate. Let me show you. Right there. So I'm just removing these with a couple of forks. Very easy. Here are my beautiful little cherry bombs. Okay, I'm going to let them cool off, and then I'm going to make a nice little glaze for them. Now I'm going to make a glaze. This is a 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I'm going to sift it. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and some milk. Okay, so I added 2 tablespoons of milk. This is whole milk. So you go 1 tablespoon, then you put another 1/2, and then you put another 1/2 until you get the desired consistency that you want. I think this works for me. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some of this nice glaze on top of my little croissant cherry bombs. Very, very nice. You guys, these are perfect for the upcoming holidays. Very, very nice. Okay, you guys, these are my little cherry bombs. They are beautiful. The upcoming holidays, any kind of special occasions. They are so easy and very tasty. So these are my little crescent roll cherry bombs. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.